Hola Chanellies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you've never been before. My name is Jaila, also known as JaiChanellie on the internet, so that is where you can find and follow me. And today, I'm coming to you because I want to see if I can do my makeup in 12 minutes or less. So this challenge has been going around, also known as the Aaliyah J Challenge, and people have been testing themselves to see if they can do a full beat in 12 minutes or less. If you don't already know, Aaliyah J is a makeup guru here on YouTube, and she tweeted the other day and she said that she can do her full face in 12 minutes. And we said, ma'am, that's cap. But then she got on YouTube and actually showed us that she does do her full face, her regular routine in 12 minutes. So I want to see how long it actually takes me to do my regular beats, okay? So if you want to see how long it actually takes me to beat this face, go ahead and keep on watching. We're not gonna do all the talking, we just gonna get right into the video. Now, I know my friends watching this are laughing right now because I am notoriously known for taking a very, very, very long time to do my makeup. But I wanna tell y'all, I've changed and I think I can do this routine in 12-ish minutes. Now, a couple of things to know is that Aaliyah actually did her eyebrows off camera because she says it takes her a very long time to do her eyebrows. I'm gonna try to do my eyebrows within this whole 12 minutes. So if I don't make it, I feel like you should extend some grace, okay? We are ready to go. If y'all are ready to go, let's go ahead and start now. Okay. Move my mirror. There we go. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me now. You gotta feel me. Without you, just wanna be your
Come on.
wonder if you even notice. You gotta feel me. Without you, all alone at night, I harbor feelings for you, holding my pillow tight. Sometimes I even touch myself, imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is and just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me now. You gotta feel me. Without you, just wanna be
Come on.
your and dry my beauty blender in the floor. You gotta feel me. Without you, I wonder if you even. God bless the germs, devil eat the worm. You gotta feel me. I would love you. Just wanna be. And I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Oh, 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 oh.
And I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Oh, and I wonder, you gotta feel me. Yeah. I wanna love you good. I wanna be your girl. Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but parts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I. See you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this.
Oh, I'm pissed. I am pissed. Okay, y'all, it wouldn't be me if I didn't have camera issues. So my camera actually just cut off because it overheated, but I did stop what I was doing. I was filling in the tail of my brow. I stopped and I stopped my timer. I'm currently at 9 minutes, 9 seconds and 53, what is that, milliseconds? That's where I am currently. So I'm going to press start again and hopefully my camera stays on for the remainder of this time, okay? So I'm pressing start and I'm getting back to my eyebrows.
You gotta feel me. Would love you. All alone at night, I harbor feelings for you, holding my pillow tight. Sometimes I even touch myself, imagining your pleasure, baby. Next time I see you, I'm gonna walk right up to you and say what's on my mind. I gotta make you see this is and just a silly crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Would love you good. Just wanna be your
Come on.
Wonder if you even notice. You gotta feel me. Would love you I wonder if you even notice me. Ooh, you gotta feel me. I would love you. Just wanna be, just wanna be. And I would love you good. Just wanna be your girl. Oh, and I wonder, you gotta feel me. Yeah. I wanna love you good. I wanna be your girl.
Okay, y'all. So I'm currently at 12 minutes and this is how much of my face I have done. Am I finished? Absolutely not. I'm not finished. I still need to add a gloss and I still need to actually put my lashes on. This is a fail. No, this is a fail. I was kind of close, you know, like this is presentable. This is a look in 12 minutes. It's just not like my look, my everyday look in 12 minutes. So I'm gonna press play on my timer again and see how long it takes me to do my everyday beat. Okay, so let's. So it takes me a grand total of 15 minutes and 42 seconds in order to do my full face. I'm not mad at it at all because I even did my eyebrows in that time. Like your girl, I may have snapped, I may have done something. I really hope y'all enjoyed this. I have a lot of fun seeing how fast I can do my makeup. Now I know. Like if I ever need to film a video real quick, 15 minutes and I'm done, okay? If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. Okay, we are almost at 10K. I'm just waiting on y'all to subscribe so I can hit 10K. Also, like this video so YouTube can notify other people and share with other people. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye.